Hi, welcome to Bare Glow, where I teach you how to understand your skin so that you could have that glowing complexion that you always wanted. Scars. How can you get rid of scars? That is what I'm going to cover in this video. For scarring, we're going to be doing a lot of exfoliation. You definitely will probably consider getting a professional treatment for this too if you wanted to accelerate the results. So some of the professional treatments that you would consider for scarring would be like microdermabrasion, which would be a very gentle approach. It is going to take a lot longer. Any approach that's more gentle would take a little bit longer. Or you could start doing chemical peels. And you want to build your way up with chemical peels, so you will start with a gentle and then build your way up to something a little bit stronger. Also, microneedling is a great option for scarring. Okay, so let's jump into the products that you would use for scarring. So for your cleanser, we normally start with your cleanser. You are going to want to use exfoliating cleanser. An exfoliating cleanser is going to have glycolic, alpha hydroxys, lactic. Any of the exfoliations are going to be great for this condition. You want to take in consideration your skin type, because some of the exfoliation is going to dry your skin. So you want to make sure that if you have dry skin, that you're also keeping your skin very hydrated. If you have oily skin, then you know that will help you with the oiliness. It will help you with other conditions. But if you do have dry skin, you do want to be careful. If you do have sensitive skin, you want to be careful as well. So jumping into serums, the best serum for exfoliation of scarring is going to be retinol. Retinol is going to really help to warm up that cell inside of your skin to really boost that regeneration of newer cells and getting rid of the dead cells that are, or the dead cells that are on the scar. And for a lot of moisturizers will also have exfoliation. You kind of want to start with one product at a time and always add as you go, because too much might be too much for you. So you want to add first if you want to start with your cleanser as an exfoliator, or if you want to start with your serum or your moisturizer. I usually recommend exfoliations unless you're being recommended the product by a professional. You're going to want to start with one at a time and then add as you go. If your professional esthetician recommends, you know, that your skin is okay to take more than one product, then it's fine. You know, you trust her, so she would make the best recommendation for you. But if you're doing this on your own, you want to make sure you always start and then build your way up. So let me show you some examples of some of the products that would be good, some of the products that I work with that would be good for scarring. So a great exfoliating cleanser would be the Pro Exfoliating Cleanser. It's called Exfoliating. So this one in particular has lactic and salicylic. So this lactic is perfect because it would be good for multiple skin types, for dry and oily. The only person that would want to be a little bit more careful with it would be a sensitive skin, like I mentioned before. And for the exfoliating serum, the C4, the Pro C4 is going to be a great option for scarring. It's going to help exfoliate and produce new cells. So for the cream, the Pro Retinol cream would be ideal for exfoliating in a cream form. So this is perfect for someone that has more dry skin. So if you're getting rid of scars but you have dry skin, you would go for an option in a cream form because it's going to keep you hydrated at the same time. This one might not be the best option for like someone that's oily or that has acne, but it would be perfect for someone that has dry skin. Okay, if you have liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and that you subscribe for notifications so you could keep learning and understanding your skin. In the link below, you will find my basic skincare guide where I teach you how to understand your skin for a glowing complexion. I break down your skin type, what products I recommend, certain conditions, and a routine for you to follow. So make sure you check that out, and I will see you next time.